guys, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I will show how to use some leftover ingredients in my fridge. So usually when I make breads, I only use the egg yolks. Yesterday, I did this, the vanilla cornet. So now it's only one left. So with the vanilla cornet recipe, I use 3 egg yolks. So I have 4 egg whites left over in the fridge. So I don't want that to be wasted. I want to use it. And I want to the egg whites to be useful. So I was thinking to make, by the way, the cornet link is down in the description box. So I was thinking also to make Pavlova, because Pavlova is also with egg whites, but I don't have some berries available. I was thinking to make small meringue. So let's start, and here are the ingredients that we need. So first, the 4 egg whites I have in the fridge. So look guys, I have here 3 egg whites from yesterday from the vanilla cornet, and this one is also from the bread I made. So totally I have 4. Egg white should be in room temperature. So because that's from the fridge, I will use the other way how to make the meringue. And cook this. Then here in our mixing bowl, make sure that the mixing bowl is really clean. No oil, no grease, nothing, as in really clean. So, and it's dry. Water. I will boil some water on the pan, but it should not be touching the should not touch the mixing bowl. Then I will put the eggs. In here are 3 egg whites. And this is 1. So then I need 1 cup of sugar. The wire whisk, we will only until the sugar is dissolved. So make sure to keep on stirring it, so we don't want to have a scrambled egg, so make sure to keep on stirring it. So this time I turn it off. Then I will only let the hot water will warm up our mixing bowl, because the sugar is already melted. So I remove now the mixing bowl and put this on the mixer. So we will start to mix this. I will put some salt, pinch of salt. Then 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Let's check again. The meringue is really proud. Look, it's not. I will give 1 more minute for this. And then I will prepare my piping bag. And there is no sugar anymore. So it's not moving the wax paper. Oh, it's really good. Only like this you can already. It's not so sweet. And for sure it will melt in your mouth. So I have here the plastic, the jar. This one is from my daughter. She gave it to me and she did that in her playing group. So I will use 2 of this. So first I will use this one. So into the oven for 100 degrees for about 1 hour. So after 1 hour of baking, the meringue is ready. But we will let this in the oven for at least 2 hours or overnight until it's really dry. And here is now the finished product, the small meringue I did yesterday. So after baking for at least 1 hour to 100 degrees, I let it inside the oven overnight so it's really dry. Now it's ready to eat. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share if you haven't yet, and hit down the notification bell down below so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!